Hi guys, welcome to javainterviewquestions.com. Today we'll see what are environmental variables and how to get environment variables using a Java program. So sometimes in our real-time environment we need to get our application need to get the environment specific variables. In that case we'll see how to get the environment variables. We have a getEnv method in system class which will return a map of strings, map of path and path names. So system.getEnv will return a collection. We need to iterate through the collection of values to pass the environmental variable name which will return value. So here in this map we'll have an environmental variable name and the value. So system.getEnv will give all the environment variables which are specific to our operating system. And the next one is, if we directly know the path variable name, we can directly give here and which will return the value. If there is no value corresponding to the variable name, it will return null. So I'll repeat once again. Here we have two forms to get the environment variables. One is system.getEnv with no arguments, so it will return a map. This map will contain the this map will contain, it's a key value pair. The key will be the name, environment variable name, and the path is the value. And the second one is, if you know the name of the environment variable name, we can use system.getEnv to pass the environment variable name which will give the value. If no value is returned, it will return null. Let's see an example how to write that. See, here I have created a class called environment variables. In this environment variables I have written a main method. Now I am writing system.getEnv. So as I have told you, it will return a map now. I will iterate through this collection, that is map, and I'll get the environment variable values, path. So as we know, we have a method in map. Map dot key set will give the collection of values, map key value pairs. So I am passing the key to get the values. Map dot get of var. So first I am getting the map. So this map will contain what? The environment variable name and the path. Now we'll run this program and we'll see. Run as Java application. If you see here, specific to my OS, here are the different environment variables that are defined in my system. If you know the variable name, if you know the environment variable name, directly you can use the other method called system.getEnv of string. So system dot get env of path. So this will return a string. Now I am doing system dot out dot println and I am printing the path. You see here I am passing the, I know the environment variable name path, and I am getting that value path, and I am printing this value. Now I am running this Java program. Here, now I am running this Java program. See here, here is the path specific to the environment variable path. Here is the path that is defined for the environment variable path. This is how we can get the path for our environment specific variables. Hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my videos.